Are you ready to transform your online presence into a money-making machine? In today's digital age, the internet offers countless opportunities to earn money. You can actually turn your time online into cash. The effectiveness of monetization tools can vary greatly depending on your specific business or content platform. In this video, we'll talk about 5 tools that help you in monetization. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or simply looking to boost your income, these 5 user-friendly tools can be your key to successful monetization. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Patreon. Patreon is a platform that enables creators to earn recurring income from their fans or subscribers. In exchange for a monthly fee, creators can offer exclusive content, rewards, and membership tiers to their patrons. Patreon enables creators to cultivate a community of devoted supporters while generating a stable income stream. One of Patreon's most notable features is the ability to provide patrons with exclusive content and rewards based on their membership tier. Creators can customize their offerings to their audience by providing early access to content, glimpses behind the scenes, or personalized shoutouts. It also enables creators to concentrate on their craft by providing a stable source of income, freeing them from the uncertainty of ad revenue. Number 4. Twitch. If you're into gaming or live streaming, you can monetize your content through platforms like Twitch. You can generate revenue through advertisements, subscriber donations, and sponsorships. After being acquired by Amazon in 2014, Twitch has expanded to accommodate artists, musicians, and other video creators as well. Users can monetize their content on Twitch through a variety of means, including advertisements, subscriptions, donations, and merchandise sales. Viewers can directly contribute to the income of their favorite broadcasters through subscriptions and donations. To earn money on Twitch, you must meet certain eligibility requirements. Affiliate status requires a minimum of 50 followers, 500 total minutes streamed, and an average of 3 concurrent observers over the past 30 days. In addition, the bits and cheers system on Twitch allows spectators to tip creators with virtual currency, thereby increasing their earnings. Number 3. YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is a highly sought-after monetization system for content creators on the largest video sharing platform in the world. To be eligible for IPP, channels must satisfy certain eligibility requirements, such as having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous year. Once acknowledged, IPP provides creators with numerous advantages. The primary monetization feature is the ability to generate revenue through advertisements displayed on videos. Creators can also earn money through channel memberships, in which subscribers pay a monthly charge for access to exclusive perks and content. Moreover, the merchandise shelf feature enables YouTubers to sell their merchandise directly beneath their videos. In addition to providing a source of income, the IPP provides creators with access to valuable analytics, community tools, and resources to help them develop their channels. Number 2. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is a potent affiliate marketing program that enables content creators and website owners to monetize their content through the promotion of Amazon products. The ability to earn commissions on sales generated through customized affiliate links is its primary feature. Amazon provides competitive commission rates that increase as you refer more customers, ranging from 1% to 10% or more depending on product categories. This program is especially advantageous for those in niches that align with Amazon's extensive product catalog, as it facilitates the promotion of pertinent products to their audience. To qualify for the Amazon Associates program, you must have an active website or blog that features original, high-quality content. Amazon typically evaluates your application based on the content and traffic quality. Once authorized, you can begin using affiliate links to effectively monetize your content. Number 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a well-known advertising program that enables website owners and content creators to earn money by displaying Google Ads on their platforms. AdSense provides bloggers and website owners with the opportunity to earn money based on the number of clicks or impressions generated by these ads. It employs an advanced algorithm to display ads that are contextually relevant to the content, thereby increasing the likelihood of user engagement and clicks. To maximize your AdSense earnings, you must optimize your ad placements. Ad placement in prominent locations, such as above the fold or within the content, can have a substantial effect on your revenue. However, avoid bombarding your readers with an excessive number of advertisements, as this can negatively impact their experience. Keep a close watch on your AdSense performance reports, which provide useful data on ad impressions, click-through rates, and earnings. These reports can assist you in making data-driven decisions and implementing strategies to maximize your ad revenue over the long term. I hope you enjoyed the video and find it both entertaining and educational. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell for more valuable content like this. Thanks for watching.